So how do you add a Google Doc or Google Sheets specific file to the iPhone home screen? Let me guide you through it and explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. On the iPhone, of course, as you might expect, it's not as detailed or customizable as you would probably want, but there are still some things you can do. Like, first of all, you can hold down on the home screen and go to Edit and click on Add a Widget. And even though we don't have like the Google Sheets or, the Google Docs widget, we have the Files app widget, and you can add the recent files to your home screen like this. And if you work a lot with these file types, like I only have like PDFs in here, but if you have Google Docs or some things which you have worked with recently, they will show up like this and you can jump to that file right away. So that's one option, but as you can see, it's not the most practical thing ever. So if you specifically want to add one file from Google Sheets or Google Docs, you can do it, but through the Safari browser. So if we go to Safari and start a new tab, let me go to the Google Sheets, for example, right? So I can look this up, go to the place, but as you can see, it kind of moves me over into the app, but I'm gonna stay in here. So I'm gonna make sure I open it within the Safari browser and not in the actual app. So as you can see, we have the untitled spreadsheet in here, and what I can do once I have it open within Safari is click on the three dots, tap share, and choose to add it to the home screen, right? So there is a little button like this. I can name it something different, so let me just delete the Google Drive or whatever, and you can see that. Let me do it again. But the point is that we have the ability to add it to the home screen like this. And if you click on the Open as Web App, as long as you have this selected, it's going to look like this, where you can see we have it on the home screen. We can get inside, and it's technically not even a part of the Safari, but we are in the untitled spreadsheet in here, and we can work with our files. So that's like the only way we can really add it to the home screen. I know it's not ideal, but that's just how it is currently. So if anything changes, I'll definitely update you about it. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the future uploads.